Good morning. Yeah, I would like to share with you my research topic, that is remote sensing-based flood mapping. Flooding is the #1 disaster in terms of property damage and life loss. And in such a disaster, there were 4 phases in emergency management, that is response, reconstruction, mitigation, and preparedness. For example, during the flood, we take actions to save more life, and then soon after the flooding, we will repair our house and return to normal. And further, we will more some policy and facility to help to mitigate future flood risk, so that we can better prepare for the last event. In all these cycles, we need information about flooding. Basically, its extent and impact. Basically, we need a map for it. So how to do this? Traditionally, we have some field measurements such as flood gauge, precipitation, and pressure sensor. And this map shows some field measures in the event of Hurricane Matthew. We can see that, yeah, these points are limited, and we couldn't get the whole information about the whole area, so that we turn to remote sensing. By comparing the image before and after flooding, such as the image shows here, it's clear to show that which areas are heavily affected and how serious is the situations, so that we can have a more complete sense about this event. What I'm doing is to combine 2 different kinds of remote sensing systems, the passive one and the active one. The passive one, namely the optical sensors. In this system, the lens feature reflects sunlight, and then the sensor captures the reflectance, so that, like a camera, so that we get the image. And for the active system, mostly the synthetic aperture radar. In this case, instead of the middle of the sun, the sensor emits signal toward the ground, and then to record the echo of this image, and then to form the intensity image. In these 2 examples, we will have the sense that this area are water. So why do I need both 2 sensors instead of either one? There was 2 reasons. The first reason is cloud. For any given day, around 70% of the sky is covered by cloud. And then the optical sensor could not see through cloud. So that what happened underneath the cloud, we have no idea what happened there. So that in this case, we could not use optical image. And for the active sensor, that is the synthetic radar, yes, we can use it under all weather conditions. However, when look more detail into this image, we found that it's really difficult to tell water apart from some smooth artificial surface, such as roads and parking lot. This area, almost the same as the water, but actually this is not water. So that by combining these 2 different kinds of remote sensing image, I can develop methods in processing and analysis to join the whole circle to deal with the crisis or disaster, and then to produce a better flood map with higher accuracy, finer spatial and temporal resolution. At the end of the day, this information will help to support planning and decision. So that's the importance of the research. And thank you.